Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have some exciting news. Some of you probably already know if you follow me on social media, but if you don't, I launched my new line of 100% cotton yarn recently, so I thought I would make a video on here to take you guys through all the colors and the specs. So if that is something you're interested in learning about, please just keep on watching. So this line is called Clear as Cotton. Hopefully you can see it on there. It is an 8-ply/DK weight yarn. As I said, it is a 100% cotton, which we all love. Let's be honest. The recommended hook size for this yarn is a 4mm, which is pretty standard amongst all 8-ply or DK weight yarns. Obviously this could vary just depending on your tension as well, but that is the guideline. And the washing instructions for this one is hand wash only. And to add, it is not mercerized. I had that question the other day. This is not a mercerized cotton. So now we will jump into the colors. So first up we have this beautiful hot pink color. This color is called Callistemon, and I would describe it as like a Barbie pink. It's absolutely stunning. Probably one of my favorites in the whole Clear as Cotton collection. Next we have the color Ficus. This is a beautiful deep dark green. I don't really know how to describe it. This color is very similar to the malachite in the A Blend Moment yarn. So if you have used the malachite in the A Blend Moment, this color is very, very similar. Next up, we have this beautiful dusty light pink color, and this one is called Dahlia. Then we have a classic off-white. This one is called Lily. Next up, we have this beautiful red. This color is called Poppy. And then we have a beautiful vibrant yellow. This one is called Canola. Next, we have another one of my favorites. I'm not sure if it's really showing up properly on camera, but it is a very, very light mint green color. This one is called Aloe. Hopefully you guys can see it on camera. I've tried to adjust the settings so the colors are as true as possible, but obviously the colors can vary slightly just depending on your screen settings. But this is a very, very light mint green color, absolutely stunning. Next, we have a beautiful vibrant purple. This one is called Asta. And then following on with the purple, we have a light lilac color, and this one's called Wisteria. Next up, we all know that this is going to be one of my favorites. This is like a mustard yellow / very light orange color, and this one's called Lion's Tail. Next, we have this light blue color. It's like a pale baby blue, I suppose, and this one is called Jade. And then last but not least, we have another blue. This is like a medium blue, I would say. It's not super dark, but it's not super light. It's more of, I'd say, like a sky blue, and this one is called Cornflower. Well, that wraps up all 12 colors in the first drop of the Clear as Cotton. I hope you all love them. Please let me know what you think in the comments. They are all now available on the MAYKR website, so I will leave the link in the description, of course. But that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please go and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified of all my future videos. Until next time, stay safe, be kind, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!